The Konyak tribe, nestled in the northeastern part of India, has a rich and vibrant culture that goes beyond what meets the eye. One of their most intriguing and lesser-known traditions is the art of making gunpowder, a skill they mastered long before the British set foot in their lands. This ancient practice isn't just about survival, it's a testament to the Konyaks' ingenuity and deep connection to their environment.
The British, upon discovering the tribe's ability to craft muzzle-loading guns, were both surprised and impressed. For the Konyaks, however, it was just another example of their resourcefulness, something they had been practicing for generations.
The process of making gunpowder among the Konyaks is as fascinating as it is unique. Imagine this. Villagers were asked to collect their urine in a designated area over the course of several months. It might sound unusual, but this urine, rich in potassium nitrate and sulfur, played a key role in their gunpowder making process. As the soil absorbed the urine, it became saturated with these essential minerals. Once the soil had steeped for long enough, it was boiled down, and the black residue that floated on top of the water was carefully collected. This residue was then dried and mixed with charcoal to create the final product, gunpowder. But not just any charcoal would do. The Konyaks used charcoal made from Omah wood, also known as Trema orientalis. This wood was specifically chosen for its properties, which made it ideal for making high-quality charcoal. Once the wood was burned down to charcoal, it was allowed to cool before being pounded and ground into a fine powder. This charcoal powder was then carefully sifted to remove any unwanted particles, ensuring that only the best quality powder remained. The final step was to mix the charcoal with potassium nitrate in a precise ratio of 3:10. This mixture was then heated and dried repeatedly until it reached the desired consistency and potency.
It wasn't just used for hunting and warfare. Gunpowder had a place in their festivals, rituals, and even funeral ceremonies.
Alongside this, the Konyaks are also known for their craftsmanship in creating yanglayu, or machetes, and intricate wooden sculptures. These skills, passed down through generations, are a testament to the richness of their cultural heritage.
The traditional art of making gunpowder by the Konyak tribe is more than just a survival technique. It's a powerful reminder of their ingenuity and deep-rooted connection to their environment. This practice, refined over generations, showcases the Konyaks' ability to adapt and thrive in challenging conditions. As the modern world continues to evolve, it's crucial to remember and preserve these traditional methods, which are a vital part of the Konyak tribe's identity. Their gunpowder making process is not just a craft, it's a symbol of their resilience, creativity, and enduring legacy.